This is the EA1000C6 rental LED screen. We will now replace the damaged LED module and install a new one. EA1000C6 is a high-performance display screen designed specifically for the rental market, featuring a convenient quick-lock design that makes screen installation and removal faster and simpler. This design greatly shortens installation time and is particularly suitable for occasions such as stage performances, exhibitions, etc. that require frequent disassembly and assembly. In addition, the EA1000C6 rental LED screen supports curved installation, enabling curved and multi-angle splicing to meet the creative display needs of different scenes and enhance visual effects. Whether on flat or curved surfaces, it can maintain excellent display effects and ensure the continuity of visual experience. Through this module replacement, the maintenance and operation of EA1000C6 remain efficient, ensuring that the display screen continues to perform excellently in future applications.